He is life, for in him we move, we live, and we have our being. This verse does not begin with movement or with purpose. It begins with life. You are not alive because you are strong, you're resourceful, you know how to do things. You are alive because God is kind. Some of us think we survived because we fought hard, but there were nights when God fought while you slept. There were moments you didn't even pray, yet mercy still showed up. Every breath is a quiet miracle. You are breathing proof that God is patient. You didn't end today. It was gifted to you. If God stopped holding you together, you'd fall apart silently. Life is not something that you own. Life is something that God keeps giving. In Job chapter number 12, verse number 10, it says, "In whose hand is the life of every living thing, the breath of all mankind." Lamentations 3:22-23. "It is of the Lord's mercies that we are not consumed. Great is your faithfulness."